brother here. More long dog to come with my ladies.
Meanwhile,
Ako na po kapuan eh. Beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm a whole man that would call him a hero.
Kumusta niya nakaka... Yo, you know, I pray.
Yo, brother, my dog, where I do dog?
Yeah, dog. I already had the family and dog, but the body for emergency, dog.
Brother, for 1 hour now, me there so wait for you to fall for names, you know, dog.
Can't find the phone, dog.
So you talk to me, pan dog.
Yeah, me know, dog, but you can't find the phone.
Brother, you need to forward right now.
I'll call about the place and I can't find the phone, brother. Dog, just give me 10 minutes, dog. I look for the phone and I found. Yeah, dog. Can't believe so you could have put the phone. Go and search, huh?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Brother, you really not no sense, you know. Dog, how the phone I talk to him? And I say, you can't find the phone. So the hell matter of fun? Yeah, me know, idiot. Alright, guys. You see the red button below if you don't wanna watch. I bet you click it right now. Click it. And also comment, share, also like the video. Yeah. If you like the video, comment, share, subscribe.